Garlic presses are essential for anyone who loves cooking with fresh garlic but wants to avoid the hassle of peeling and chopping. They make the process quick, easy, and mess-free, ensuring you get the most flavor with minimal effort. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the top 5 garlic presses that you need. So, let's find your perfect match. Number 1. Zulay Kitchen Garlic Press. This premium quality garlic press is constructed from food-grade, rust-resistant materials, ensuring it remains a staple in your kitchen for years to come. It's designed with built-in studs that extract more paste in seconds, perfect for both professional and home kitchens. One of the best things about this garlic press is its ability to crush and mince unpeeled cloves. Say goodbye to strong garlic odors and sticky residues on your hands. The ergonomic handle is comfortable and requires minimal effort, allowing you to peel, crush, and mince cloves in one go, leaving the peels behind in the chamber. Cleaning up is a breeze with the Zulay Kitchen Garlic Press. You can simply rinse it under running water or place it in the dishwasher. We recommend rinsing it right after use to avoid any residual pulp and fibers hardening up. This tool is not just limited to garlic and ginger. You can also use it for coriander seeds, cumin seeds, peppercorns, onions, or nuts. Just fill the chamber and squeeze to crush. Let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. The Zulay Kitchen Garlic Press does have a small capacity chamber, which means you may need to refill it multiple times if you're preparing a large meal. Despite this minor inconvenience, the Zulay Kitchen Garlic Press is a versatile, durable, and easy-to-use tool that every kitchen should have. If you're interested in purchasing this product, there's a link in the description below. Number 2. ORBLUE Garlic Press. This garlic press boasts a heavy-duty construction and ergonomic design, making it easy to mince unpeeled garlic cloves or peeled ginger root with minimal effort. Simply press the handles, and delicious paste will ooze out, leaving the peel inside. Crafted from stainless steel, this rust-proof garlic press offers restaurant-quality mincing and crushing. It's designed to be durable and efficient, making it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Plus, it adds a splash of color to your kitchen with handles available in silver, black, red, or multicolored options. The baskets are left unpainted to ensure safety during food preparation. The ORBLUE Garlic Press isn't limited to garlic alone. It perfectly minces and grinds garlic for your veggies, meats, sauces, or salad dressings, elevating your dishes to professional chef standards. Cleaning this garlic press is simple, thanks to its dishwasher-safe design. You can also rinse it under running water, making cleanup quick and easy. Let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. The ORBLUE Garlic Press can be harder to clean, especially if you don't rinse it immediately after use. Additionally, it is somewhat bulky, which might be an issue if you have limited kitchen storage. Despite these minor drawbacks, the ORBLUE Garlic Press is a versatile, durable, and efficient tool that deserves a place in every kitchen. If you're interested in purchasing this product, you'll find a link in the description below. Number 3. Alpha Griller's Garlic Press. This garlic mincer tool comes with a heavy-duty construction and ergonomic design, making mincing unpeeled garlic cloves fast and easy. Simply press the handles, and a delicious paste is squeezed out, leaving just the peel inside. Alternatively, you can use the included silicone roller to remove the garlic skin in seconds. One of the standout features is the easy-to-clean design. The large chamber of the garlic masher flips out for easy cleaning. You can simply rinse it under running water or run it through the dishwasher, making cleanup a breeze. This tool is not just for garlic, it also works great as a ginger press. Crush garlic, ginger, and even nuts like a pro with this versatile kitchen gadget. Full instructions are included in the box, ensuring you get the most out of your garlic press. Let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. The Alpha Griller's Garlic Press has a mediocre yield for ginger and nuts, which means it might not be as efficient for these ingredients compared to its performance with garlic. Despite this minor drawback, the Alpha Griller's Garlic Press is a versatile, durable, and efficient tool that is a great addition to any kitchen. If you're interested in purchasing this product, you'll find a link in the description below. Number 4. Vantic Garlic Press Rocker. This innovative garlic press features an arc shape with a comfortable handle design, making it easy to use, even for those with a weaker grip or smaller hands. With just a slight back and forth rocking motion, you can easily crush or mince garlic in half the time compared to traditional methods. Crafted from 100% premium stainless steel and high-quality silicone, the Vantic garlic press is designed to be long-lasting, corrosion-resistant, and durable. It won't rust or break, ensuring you can use it for years to come. One of the best features of this garlic press is the easy cleanup. Since the garlic collects on the surface of the rocker, there are no extra dishes to clean. Just rinse it under running water, and you're good to go. Plus, it comes with a garlic peeler and a scraper, adding extra convenience to your garlic prep tasks. Let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. The Vantic garlic press rocker needs to be pressed onto a cutting board or another surface, which means you'll have more things to clean. Additionally, if you don't rock it back and forth correctly, the clove might flatten against the holes instead of being properly minced. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Vantic garlic press rocker is an innovative, durable, and efficient tool that simplifies your garlic prep. If you're interested in purchasing this product, you'll find a link in the description below. Number 5. Garlic Peel Garlic Press. This innovative tool allows you to peel, slice, dice, and grate garlic effortlessly. It comes with a silicone peeler and 2 interchangeable blades. The dicing blade creates cube-shaped garlic, while the slicing blade produces longer, thinner slices. Plus, the clear container has raised teeth for making the perfect garlic paste. One of the best things about this garlic press is that it leaves no odor on your hands. You can use the silicone peeler to remove the garlic skin, place the garlic between the top and the selected blade, and push down. The clear container catches the crushed garlic, making it easy to transfer directly to your dish or recipe. Cleaning is made simple with the smart cleaning blade on the top lid, which is easily removable for handheld cleaning. Additionally, all components are dishwasher safe. The garlic peel is built to last, featuring sharpened solid stainless steel cutting blades and BPA-free high-quality plastic parts. The extra blade conveniently snaps into the bottom compartment next to the silicone peeler for easy storage. Let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. The garlic peel has many parts that need to be cleaned, which can be a bit cumbersome. Also, the silicone peeler is quite small and can be hard to use for larger garlic cloves. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Garlic Peel Garlic Press is a versatile and efficient tool for any kitchen. If you're interested in purchasing this product, you'll find a link in the description below.
Thank you for staying with us. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Let us know which product review you like to see next. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, thump this video up and share it with your friends. That's all for now.